Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to master the art of faceless videos in just 3 minutes. Whether you're camera shy or just want to keep things mysterious, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about your content. Even without showing your face, you can still create engaging videos. Focus on what you're passionate about, whether it's gaming, tutorials, or storytelling. Your voice and creativity are your main tools here. Next, gear up with the right equipment. A decent microphone is a must. Bad audio can turn viewers away faster than you can say subscribe. Get a USB mic like the Blue Yeti, or if you're on a budget, the Fifine K669 is a solid choice. Lighting is also key. Even if you're not showing your face, good lighting can enhance your visuals. Ring lights or softbox lights can make a huge difference. Now let's get into recording your screen. OBS Studio is a fantastic free tool for screen recording. It's robust and easy to use. If you're doing tutorials or gaming, this is your go-to. For those epic voiceovers, practice makes perfect. Write a script and stick to it. Keep your tone natural and engaging. Smile while you talk, it really does come through in your voice. Adding visuals is another crucial element. Use stock footage, animations, or even slideshows. Websites like Pexels and Pixabay offer free footage, and Canva is great for creating professional-looking slides. Editing is where the magic happens. Use software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, but if you're just starting out, DaVinci Resolve is a fantastic free option. Keep your cuts tight and your pacing quick to keep viewers engaged. Don't forget the background music. It sets the mood and keeps things lively. Websites like Epidemic Sound or the YouTube audio library have loads of options. Choose tracks that match the energy of your video. Lastly, interact with your audience. Even if they can't see you, they can still feel connected through your words and actions. Reply to comments, ask questions, and make sure your community feels heard. So there you have it. Mastering faceless videos isn't as hard as it seems. Focus on your content, use the right tools, and keep your audience engaged. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Stay creative and keep those cameras rolling or not.